Hello and welcome to this beginner's course on Git and Github. This course is aimed at new users of Git, introducing simple concepts that allow you to do all the basic operations that you need for managing a project. It is also aimed at people who want to reinforce their foundations in Git. My name is Katalin, and I'm a senior software developer. In my 10-year career, I have worked on many software projects with some of the leading software development companies like Microsoft and Sky. Git is a state-of-the-art version control system that is used in the vast majority of projects. Git is simply a system for tracking changes to your files. It allows you to see changes over time, undo and redo changes, and make sure that all versions of the files are saved so nothing is ever lost. GitHub is an online service that allows you to store your saved files and all their versions. It's free of charge for all of the features that we will use in this course. This course will give you a strong foundation and the confidence of using Git in a professional environment. You will be able to confidently add it to your CV as a new skill. So without further ado, let's dive right in and see what Git can be used for.